Watch this voice clone. Let's go. Hey, what if I told you that you could clone your own voice in seconds with two simple tools? It's not science fiction anymore. Watch this tutorial to see exactly how I'm doing. Yes, guys, you can clone your voice from today. You don't have to have issues with inauthentic content, sounding like robots using AI voice. No, that has passed. Right now, you can clone your own voice, sound different from the crowd. You won't have issues with YouTube demonetizing your channel, giving you inauthentic content because you are using popular voiceover all over social media. You stand out from the crowd. And from these tutorials, you can clone like 3 different voices: male, female, kid, mother. What numbers of voices you can clone are 3. You can clone them, use them for your African folktale stories, and stand out, make good money for yourself. Let's go straight into this. And of course, before we do that, smash that subscribe button to be part of this amazing community. And don't forget to click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Don't skip any parts so you will not get confused along the line. Let's go straight into this. Don't forget to drop your opinion on the tools you head to voice generator. Stick with me. Don't skip any part of this video so you can get amazing results. From the tools, it will bring you to this website called MiniMax Audio. Move over to Voice Library. From Voice Library, you will see Voice Design and Instant Clone. Remember where we are heading to, okay? Don't skip this video. Feel free to share this video. Click on Instant Clone. On the Instant Clone, the interface will come up to this, showing you that you can actually import your own voice. If you already have recorded voice somewhere, maybe you recorded your voice in a studio or somewhere, you can import that your voice on this platform and use it to clone to voice you will be using for your stories, content creations, African folktale story, storytelling, creating video literally. Okay, if you don't have recorded voice already, you can record your own voice here. Look at it here with the mic icon. You can click on it and record your own voice. For you to record your own voice, you have 10 to 60 seconds long to record. While on the pre-recorded voice you want to upload, if you have any, you have 20 megabytes each. So it depends on the one you want to try. But for these tutorials, we'll be recording fresh voice here. So you click on this record voice. Yes, you see the countdown: 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content using AI to solve problems we have, and using AI to make life easy and better for us. I share ideas, tips on how people can use AI to make money for themselves, teaching digital products with AI. How literally AI has changed our life, because today you need to jump on AI. Everybody has moved on. You don't want to be left behind. So use AI and change your financial status in life. You know that the biggest mistake anyone can make is to have one side of income. You need to have multiple streams of income. AI can make that easy for you. You earn money while you sleep. AI is the new economic reform in 2026. So I don't know what you are waiting for. Jump on this. Amazing. Let's listen to it. Let's listen to it together. Hi, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content using AI to solve problems we have, and using AI to make life easy and better for us. I share ideas, tips on how people can use AI to make money for themselves, teaching digital products with AI. How literally AI has changed our life because today you need to jump on AI. Everybody has moved on. You don't want to be left behind. So use AI and change your financial status in life. You know that the biggest mistake anyone can make is to have one side of income. You need to have multiple streams of income. AI can make that easy for you. You earn money while you sleep. AI is the new economic reform in 2026. So I don't know what you are waiting for. Jump on this. Whoa, guys, this is awesome. Amazing. And oh my God. Okay, right here, you will see advanced settings. When you scroll down, you will see advanced settings. From advanced settings, you don't need to change anything here. Remove background noise, enable accent optimizations. You don't need this, all right? And you will see text preview. On text preview, we have English, we have other amazing uh, language you can use, Arabic and the rest, China, a lot of Dutch. We have so many, but right here on this tutorial, we are working with what do you call it? English. Down here, you will say you confirm. When you confirm, you will be asked to, hello, I am delighted to assist you with our voice services. Yes, that is you need to import the what you want this AI to say. I've already dropped my voice here. Stick with me. I have already dropped my voice. So right now, we are telling the AI what to say. Create a usage. All right. So I'll head over to my Claude AI, get my prompt. Yes, I already have my prompt. I generated on my Claude AI. Get my prompts and add it up. We can now say, yes, add it up here. Yes, I already have my prompt generated. So I will just say, hey, okay, generated. Let me just copy it, head over to this amazing, mind-blowing website, paste it here. Let me run one or two editing here. Yes, use with two simple tools. All right, let's generate. Right here, we have voice slot remaining 2 of 3. That what it means is you can actually add different voices. It mustn't be your own voice. You can actually add 3 different voices. So when you are doing like a movie that has like dialogues, you have like 3 characters, main characters. It can be kids, it can be adult, it can be man, woman, male and female voice, and maybe elderly voice that are the main character. You can have their voice clone and use it on this platform. This is mind blowing. If you have business and you want people to advertise your business, have a chat while they are talking about your business. This is for you. So let's generate this prompt I just dropped here. It's generating now. You click on generate button, it will start generating. When it's done generating, we will move over to saving. How we can save it on your PC or on your mobile phone. Remember, you can access this with your mobile phone. It has generated. So right here, it wants us to play and listen to our voice before we confirm. That means you have control over this. Oh my God, this is mind blowing. Hey, what if I told you that you could clone your own voice in seconds with 2 simple tools? It's not science fiction anymore. Watch this tutorial to see exactly how I'm doing it. Then grab the link in the description, try it yourself, and when you create something mind blowing, whoa, this is gold. So I am okay with this. This is my voice. This is my own voice. You should try this immediately. Right now, you click on confirm. I have confirmed this is my voice. I am okay with it. Next thing you need to do is to voice name, save it. I will say Anthony Anthony's voice, okay? Anthony's voice, so that it will be very easy for us to know the voices. You have three main characters which you want to have a movie, video, cinematic scenes. We want them to act and say something. This is what you need to do right now. So over here you have English. Yes, it's English. Gender, if you want, you change it. Male, gender. Description, you can now add description if you like, and you click on save. When you save this, it will
Hey,
automatically.
what if I told you that you could clone your own voice in seconds with two simple tools? It's not science fiction anymore. Watch this tutorial to see exactly.
This is good. So whenever you want to use this voice to write a prompt, to write something, you want this voice to say something, you click on use. From use here, you are good to go. And when you want to save whatever you have cloned your voice to say, you come down to save button here, click on save, download. It will download it to your device. It will download it to your mobile phone. It's already downloaded. Straight up, I have it on my device immediately. So whatever you want your voice to say, you can achieve that. Gone are the days when you'll be cracking your brain looking for where to clone your voice. Even chat, what do you say? What do you call it? Rock AI Meta cannot do this. This is new. So jump on this to avoid inauthentic content, to avoid having your channel demonetized. Jump on this straight up. Let's go, guys. See you guys on my next video. Cheers.